Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Klarna payments in Shopify for higher conversions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Klarna payments in Shopify for higher conversions, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings section at the bottom left corner of the screen. Select payments from the options available. In the payments settings, look for the alternative payment methods section. Click on Choose Alternative Payment to see the list of supported providers. Find Klarna in the list and click on it to start the configuration process. You will be directed to Klarna's setup page, where you'll need to enter your account credentials. If you don't have a Klarna account, follow the links provided to create one. Once you have entered your credentials, click Connect to link your Klarna account with Shopify. After successful connection, you will be returned to the Shopify Payments Settings page. Ensure that Klarna is enabled by checking the box next to it. Consider customizing the display options for Klarna on your storefront. This can enhance visibility and encourage customers to select Klarna as a payment option. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, scroll down and click Save to apply the changes. Next, test the Klarna payment method to ensure everything is working smoothly. Make a test purchase using Klarna on your store to verify the transaction flow. If any issues arise during testing, revisit the Klarna setup page for troubleshooting. Once all tests are successful, monitor your sales metrics regularly to assess conversion rates. Adjust your marketing strategies to highlight Klarna's payment options. Consider running promotions that encourage customers to use Klarna. By optimizing the Klarna setup and adjusting your marketing efforts, you can effectively improve your Shopify store's conversion rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.